Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Please accept my apology for my voice. I've got a little bit of a cold or something happening, so I apologize. So I just want to go over this next week's assignments with you and just kind of talk about where we're going and what you guys need to be focused on. So for September the 3rd through the 7th, we are going to be looking at the types of interview questions you can ask and also starting to work on interview agendas. So there's a few things for you to look at. This is a video about how to create an interview agenda. This is a document about the types of interview questions. We'll be using this a lot for the rest of the semester, so make sure you keep this handy. I'll come back to the partner interview in just a second. You'll need to submit a draft of your future career interview agenda by September 7th. So the person that you said you want to interview because you like their career or who they are or something about them, just post the agenda for what you're looking for here. And I'm going to actually, there's a typo on this. It says at least 5 questions. That's supposed to be 15 questions. So that's a little bit different. But we need to come up with quite a few questions for this person. So I'll be changing that. I just noticed that error. So the draft of the future career interview is due at the end of next week. Then also a job description for your mock interview. And so what this is we'll start our performance interview information around the 3rd week of September. And so you'll need to know what job you want to apply for with your partner. So this is something that you think a job you could have now, a job you could have right after graduation. Maybe it's a graduate program or an internship that you want. It could be anything like that. So you'll be applying for that. So take a look out, see what you can find that's related to the type of job that you would like to apply for. Now we'll also be doing partner interviews. So I have your interview partners listed here. If you click on this document, and you'll notice that one group has 3 people. So, and I'll send an email to the 3 of you about how to make that work, and that's okay. It's not a big deal. But you find your partners here. You can use the Blackboard Messenger to send them a message. Again, please don't email me through this feature because I don't check it, but you guys can use it so you can get in contact with one another. And what you will do is you will interview one another over the phone, through Skype, however you would like, face-to-face if you can. And you will ask each other questions, at least 5 questions. And then you're going to record your partner's responses, and then you'll write a reflection. You do not have to give a video or do anything like that. You just strictly have to talk to each other and then write down their responses and then answer these questions. But please do not use email to ask the questions and respond to them. Please use something that you can actually talk to one another. And so again, this is due on the 7th as well. If you have any trouble contacting your partner, please let me know. If you have trouble getting a response, let me know that as well, and I'll be happy to help you out. I will be grading this weekend, so I'll have all the grades posted and updated by Tuesday of next week, and then we'll move forward. So I hope you guys have a great Labor Day, and I will talk with you soon.